Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, front wheel drive, trip computer, clock, electronic stability control, day-night rear view mirror, tachometer, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.